Welcome to Nature Gallery. How are you doing today? I'd love to give you a tour of some of the beautiful jewelry collection we have in the gallery this holiday season. Let's go look. First, I want to start by saying this is from my collection. This is an ammonite fossil from Madagascar, Jurassic period, with inlaid ammonite fossil from Canada. It's beautiful. And it is one of the prized pieces in my collection. In the front case, I would love to show you some other designers. In this case, we have many designers. Right here, we have Judith Ubik's watermelon tourmaline slice necklace with rutilated quartz, carved tourmaline beads, hand knotted on silk. Judith Ubik is an artist from Southern California. She travels around the world to collect these absolutely stunning beads. And over here we have Nancy Hoover's beautiful labradorite necklace, which is in sterling silver. Nancy Hoover is a Bay Area artist that works with gorgeous stones. Labradorite is a stone for magic. And here we have Janice Girardi. This is an aquamarine necklace. Aquamarine is a stone for communication and the birthstone for March. This is also Janice Girardi's aquamarine necklace. And here, another Janice Girardi piece. Janice is one of the first artists we represented in the gallery when we opened 33 years ago. Here's a Janice Girardi necklace, rose quartz, and rose quartz earrings right here. Beautiful rose quartz is a stone for love. Okay, let's head to the next case. Over here, we have Joanne Doughty's opal jewelry. Joanne Doughty is an Arizona artist, and she works only in opals. Her pieces are set in 22 karat gold and 14 karat gold, and they are exquisite rainbow bling. These have little diamonds on the bottom. And these over here are Australian opals, boulder opals. Beautiful. Here's another one of my 87 rocks pieces. This one's an amethyst stalactite set in 14 karat gold. And let's move on to the next case. In the next case here, one of the featured artists, local artists, Los Altos artists, is the Lelure collection, Ron Nabee's Lelure collection. These are diamond slices with rubies set in gold vermeil. And here's another Nancy Hoover piece, a boulder opal set in sterling silver, and a couple more Joanne Doughty's Ethiopian opals. Oops, let's move this guy over here. So pretty. And in the back case over here, some other beautiful pieces. These are more of the Lelure collection. Beautiful earrings, diamond slices, so elegant for the holidays, very lightweight, like lace. There's a Nancy Hoover faceted tourmaline necklace. Nancy Hoover's ring in sterling silver. Nancy Hoover pink tourmaline necklace in sterling silver. Oh, I love these. These are Nancy Hoover's earrings. They're asymmetric leaf earrings. So there's the leaf cut out. And on this one over here, we have the leaf. And these have chrysoprase stones. So that's a partial selection of the Nature Gallery jewelry collection. And I invite you to contact me by email, carol@nature-gallery.com, to schedule your own virtual shopping experience. Nature-gallery.com. We're located at 296 State Street in beautiful downtown Los Altos. Have a wonderful day.